Hi, in this video, we will see Java features. Okay, Java features. Java is simple, platform independent or portable. Java is object oriented. Apart from that, Java is secured. It's dynamic, distributed, robust, architecture neutral, and then multi-threading. So these are all Java features. We'll see one by one. So Java is simple. Java is designed to be easy to learn. That we already discussed in our previous video in Java introduction, that Java is a high-level programming language means, so it is easy to learn, a programmer friendly, right? So that is because of that, Java is simple. If you understand the basic concept of OOP in Java, so we have seen that object-oriented. So OOP means object-oriented programming. So if you understand object-oriented programming in Java, it would be easy to play with it. Okay, everything is object. If you understand the object-oriented concept, so it is easy to work with Java. Java removed some of the complex concepts in C++ or any other programming languages. So because of that, Java is simple. So Java is portable or platform independent. So which means that any application written in one application can be easily ported to another application. This is also we have seen in our introduction video, that if you write and compile in one platform, so that can be executed in other platform also. So when Java compiled, it will convert into platform independent bytecode. So because of that, so bytecode is distributed over the web and interpreted by JVM on whichever platform it is being run on. Okay, so the bytecode can be executed in other platforms using JVM. Java is object oriented. In Java, everything is on object. So Java can be easily extended as it is based on the object model. Okay, so we are saying object oriented programming. So what topics comes under object oriented? So abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, these things comes under object oriented. We will discuss in detail these concepts in our upcoming videos. So Java is secured. So as Java code is converted into bytecode after compilation, which is not understood by human. So we already discussed that the Java source code, the high-level programming language is easy. That can, we will write in plain normal English. So because of that, we can understand. But once it is compiled and converted into bytecode, so we cannot read that code. So it is not understood by the human. So, and Java does not use an explicit pointer and run the programs inside the sandbox to prevent any activities from untrusted sources, which enables to develop virus-free and tamper-free applications. So Java executes under JVM, virtual machine, right? So because of that, it enables to develop virus-free and tamper-free applications. So Java is dynamic. Java has the ability to adapt to an evolving environment which supports dynamic memory allocation, due to which memory wastage is reduced. Okay, so memory will not waste. So that's how it will work. So memory wastage is reduced and performance of the application is increased. So as it is dynamic, it will not waste the memory. So because of that, it will increase the performance of your execution. So it is distributed. Java provides a feature which helps to create distributed applications. So how you can distribute, develop the distributed applications using one of the concepts called RMI and EJB. So enterprise Java means by using these concepts, we can develop distributed applications. RMI means remote method invocation. A program can invoke a method of another program across a network and get the output. Okay, so you can access files by calling the methods from any machine on the internet. Robust. Java is robust as it uses strong memory management. Right, memory is very important. So the memory management is very strong in Java. There is lack of pointers that avoids security problems. So in our previous programming language like C++, they use pointers. So they removed this pointers concept in Java. Because of that, it became simple. So it has automatic garbage collection, which runs on JVM to get rid of objects which are not being used by Java application anymore. So in our previous video, we discussed that this is object oriented. We need to create objects. So the moment when you create object, it occupies some memory. So, but if you're not removing that object, the memory is wasted. So because of robust nature, it automatically removes, means destroys the objects which are no longer needed. For that, it will use garbage collection concept. Okay. There is an exception handling and type checking mechanism also. Because of that, it is robust. Architecture neutral. Okay. Java compiler generates a architecture neutral object file format. So which makes the compiled code executable on many processors with the presence of Java runtime system. So it will not bother about the 16-bit or 32-bit system. So once you compile, so it can be executed in any of the processors. So because of that, it is architecture neutral. So it is multi-threaded. So we have discussed this thing in our previous video, that Java is a concurrent. How it will be concurrent? By using multi-thread concept. Java multi-threading feature makes it possible to write program that can do many tasks parallelly. Right. So the advantage of multi-threading is that the maximum utilization of resources. So at the same time, if you are executing so multiple threads, means you are maximum utilizing your resources. Okay, this is called multi-threaded concepts. So these are all Java features. Okay. So what could be the possible interview questions, right? So they may ask, what are the Java features? Can you explain the Java features? Okay. Then you can explain all these things which we discussed. Okay. So that's all in this video. Thank you.